Hey there! If you're running a computer repair business right now, let me take a guess. You've got the skills, you know how to fix desktops, laptops, motherboards, and more. Maybe you've set up a small shop or work from home. You've printed business cards, posted on Facebook, maybe even ran a few ads. But still, the clients aren't coming in like you hoped. Sound familiar? Here's the truth that most computer repair professionals don't hear. It's not just about your technical expertise. It's about how fast, how smoothly, and how smartly you can reach people who already need your help before someone else does. Let me show you what's broken in most repair businesses and what successful ones are doing differently in 2025. Most tech repair shops still rely on walk-ins, referrals, or being listed on Google. But let's be real. When someone's computer crashes, they don't want to search through 10 websites and hope someone picks up the phone. They want a solution right now. If you miss a call or delay your response, they just move on. And that's money slipping right through your fingers. Now picture this. Someone searches online for computer repair near me. They see your ad or link. They click. They're taken to a page that asks what kind of issue they're having. They enter their name and number. Immediately, they get a message confirming you received the request. They can even book a service time or request a pickup, all without making a single phone call. And you could be sleeping, fixing another machine, or spending time with your family. But your system just booked you a paying client. That's the power of automation. Let's be honest, your time should be spent fixing tech, not chasing leads. But many business owners end up doing exactly that, manually answering messages, sending quotes, and following up with people who might not even book. It's exhausting and completely avoidable. So what's the solution? Funnels. Funnels are like a 24/7 receptionist, sales rep, and scheduler, all in one. They guide people step by step, from finding your business, to trusting your service, to booking their repair. And you don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. There's a platform called funnelfreedom.io designed specifically for service-based businesses like yours. Here's what you can do with it. Create a complete lead funnel in minutes. Automatically respond to leads via email or SMS. Let customers select their service type. Allow appointment booking and even take payments. Sync all appointments to your calendar. Track every lead automatically. With a system like this, your business runs even when you're not around. Let me tell you about one tech guy I know, based in Florida. He was great at fixing machines, but terrible at getting consistent clients. Once he set up a simple automated funnel with follow-up messages, booking options, and FAQs built in, his daily leads went from 2 to 10, and weekly jobs more than tripled in just 4 weeks. No extra ads, no hiring staff, just smarter systems. And here's what I love the most. You don't even need a fancy website right now. All you need is one high-converting funnel page that answers a customer's questions and lets them book. That's exactly what funnelfreedom.io helps you build. Think of it as your digital shopfront that never sleeps, never forgets, and never gets overwhelmed. So let me ask you, do you want to keep answering the same questions over and over again on Messenger? Do you want to keep hoping for walk-ins? Or do you want a system that captures clients, follows up, and books appointments while you stay focused on what you do best, fixing computers and growing your business? If you're ready to finally automate your customer flow, go to funnelfreedom.io. You'll see exactly how this tool works and why hundreds of local service businesses are switching to this smarter model. No complex setup, no coding, just results. And hey, if this video helped you or gave you an idea, hit that like button. It really helps the channel and shows you're serious about growing your business. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to break down how to get more local clients without spending big on ads. Until then, automate smart and keep fixing with confidence.